Hi everyone! I'm so excited to demonstrate for you my gelRX HEMA-Free nail system. gelRX is for strengthening gel manicures, structured gel manicures, full coverage nail extensions with builder gel, full coverage nail extensions with gel polish, and tip overlays. It's also used for 2-week fill-ins and maintenance. When developing my gelRX HEMA-Free nail system, I first researched the ingredients that help minimize the risk of skin irritation and allergic reactions. That is why my gelRX is HEMA-free. I have spent hundreds of hours doing nails and in research and development to create my gelRX HEMA-free nail system. I know you're going to love it.
I will be using my disposable 180 grit Shape It gel file and my 180 grit Buff It gel buffer with a special cushion, making it easier to file without over filing. And now these are disposable and they're really easy to use. All you do is peel off the back, place it onto your plastic, and then when you're done, just remove it from the plastic, throw away your used abrasive, and disinfect your plastic board. I will be using my Mighty Mini LED lamp. For sensitive nails, cure 90 seconds on half power. Just press the first button and hold. And when the light comes on, you're now at half power and it will automatically cure for 90 seconds. And during half power, you can still use your timers. Or you can use full power, again, press and hold. When the light goes off, you're now at full power. Do 2 5-second cures, wait 2 seconds in between each cure, and then do a full cure for 1 minute. And for non-sensitive nails, do a full cure for 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands. Available in peach, gardenia, and vanilla sandalwood. Remove the polish with conditioning polish remover. Available in peach, gardenia, and vanilla sandalwood. And even if the client doesn't have on nail polish, I still clean off the nails to remove the oil and the dirt from the nails with the polish remover. I'm going to use a towelette. And I would do this on all 10 if I was doing a full set. I will be demonstrating a strengthening gelRX manicure. I will be using Clean It, gelRX nail primer, gelRX 3-in-1 adhesive base and builder in a bottle, which also comes in a refill size, my Shape It 180 grit gel file, my Buff It 180 grit gel buffer, my plastic manicure brush, and my towelettes. Now I'm going to prep the nail and I'm going to push back the cuticle with my metal cuticle pusher. Now I'm going to remove the shine from the natural nail and shape the natural nail with my Shape It 180 grit gel file. Very lightly, just let the file do the work without any pressure. Just going to remove the shine from the nail. This gives you better adhesion. Make sure there's no shiny spots. I really like the little corner on this file. It's nice and rounded and it fits right up around that cuticle area. So if there's any skin that's grown up on the nail, it gets it off really easy. And then shape the nail. Now I'm going to clean off the nail with Clean It and a plastic manicure brush. First, I dust off the dust, and I spray the nail and clean it off. Now I'm going to apply 2 coats of gelRX HEMA-Free non-acid primer. I'm going to dab my brush on my towelette so I don't oversaturate the nail. I'm going to let that dry for about 20 seconds. You won't be able to tell it's dry by the look. You just need to wait 20 seconds in between each to let each coat dry. Now I'm going to apply the second coat. Again, dab my brush. Prime the whole natural nail. Wipe off your brush so you don't get contamination in your bottle. And always use a primer holder. You don't want your primer to spill. Now I'm going to apply my first coat of gelRX 3-in-1 HEMA-Free Adhesive Base and Builder. This is going to be a thin coat. So I wipe away from me, drag towards me, halfway down the brush. That way I don't get too much on my brush, and it gives me a nice little bead there. Place brush 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle area. Push towards the proximal nail fold without touching the skin. And nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Make sure the whole nail's covered. There we go. Now we're going to cure it. This will be a full cure at half power for 90 seconds. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Again, a nice thin coat, so wipe all the way away from me. Halfway down the brush towards me. Place brush 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle area. Push towards the proximal nail fold without touching the skin. And then nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. On the second coat, I don't cap the tip because I don't want it to get thick. Now do a full cure at half power for 90 seconds. There are 3 ways you can finish the nail. The RX cures shiny, so you can just remove the tacky layer and leave the nail clear using your Clean It. Or you can remove the tacky layer and use regular nail lacquer. It adheres beautifully and doesn't chip. Or you can leave on the tacky layer and apply your gel against gel polish. And I will be leaving it clear, so I'm going to clean off the nail with Clean It and my towelette. You see how nice and shiny? That's beautiful. Now have the client go wash their hands with Peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. This removes all the residue from the skin, which helps minimize the risk of contact dermatitis. Now I'm going to apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach, gardenia, and vanilla sandalwood. Rub that in. Feels so good. And you want to do this with every client. Just that little added touch. I'll even go and do like a little massage on their hand with it. Feels so good. Now you have your gelRX Strengthening Gel Manicure.
And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.